Hello, and welcome to Hope, Despair, and Memory, Lesson 1, Declaration of Independence, Sections 1 and 2. By the end of this unit, we will read text about morality in the face of injustice in order to understand the consequences of forgetting and the importance of remembering and memorializing tragic events. The main text we will read in this unit is Hope, Despair, and Memory, Elie Wiesel's Nobel Prize lecture, which argues the importance of memory to humanity. At the end of this unit, to show you understand the unit goals we just discussed, you will be asked to write an essay which explores how Wiesel's claims in Hope, Despair, and Memory relate to the claims made in other texts throughout the unit. You will also engage in research about the use of memorials as a way to remember national tragedies. This means that over the course of the unit, we will build our understanding about how an author creates and furthers a claim and examine how memory affects our society. We will also look at how texts connect to each other to help us better understand how many different authors, through different mediums and genres, can explore similar ideas. These texts will help you write your essay in response to the question on the slide. Let's look at the question on the slide. How do authors convey the same claims in diverse texts? Today we will discuss our unit ideas, we will begin reading the Declaration of Independence, and we will summarize Jefferson's main points in the first two sections. You will need the Declaration of Independence by Thomas Jefferson, the Conversation Stems handout, and the Four Corners Rationale handout, all of which are located in your Lesson 1 post from today. I will read two different statements, one at a time, that connect to the key ideas of the unit. After I read each statement, you will have 60 seconds to determine whether you agree, disagree, both agree and disagree, or have no opinion, and type your quick rationale on a piece of notebook paper. Once you've determined your opinion and written your rationale, you will raise the appropriate card to show your response. From there, we will discuss your opinion and rationale and decide if everyone else agrees with you or if they don't, using the conversation stems as appropriate. Who can tell me how we're going to do this activity? Now I want you to consider each statement. Determine if you agree, disagree, both agree and disagree, or have no opinion. I want you to hold up the appropriate card. And I want you to write your rationale on the Four Corners Rationale page. Statement number 1. We should remember, discuss, and study our past, particularly time periods of great tragedy. You should now write your rationale. You should now hold up your card. Why did you choose that option? And here is statement number 2. It is important to memorialize past tragic events. You should now write your rationale. You should now hold up the appropriate card. Why did you choose the option you chose? I'm going to read aloud the first section, Section 1 of the Declaration of Independence. As I read, I'm going to pause and we're going to go over some questions in order to check your comprehension of the text. The unanimous declaration of the 13 United States of America, when in the course of human events it becomes necessary for one people to dissolve the political bands which have connected them with with another, and to assume among the powers of the earth the separate and equal station to which the laws of nature and of nature's God entitle them, a decent respect, the opinions of mankind requires that they should declare the causes which impel them to the separation.